Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aquarius Placements. Okay, yan. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa mga katanungan o may mga tanong kayo pagdating sa love bracelet, kay grantor dun sa mga pang protection from evil eye, okay, from negativities, okay, and yung ating bagong item for cord cutting. So yeah, just message me. Okay, so this is your reading, okay, pagdating sa kung ano and ito ang kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa person mo, Aqua. Okay, so Aquarius placements. Let's see. Gamit muna tayo ng oracle. Kunin natin ano bang meron sa physical looks ng person. Okay? Kung makuha natin, edi good, nag-resonate, no? Pero kung hindi, okay lang. Yeah. Okay? So, ano bang meron sa physical looks ni person mo? Na iniisip mo ngayon, Aqua? Anong meron? Physical looks ng person ng Aquarius? Scar. Okay, so pwedeng may sabihin nating peklat, okay? Kahit saang parte ng katawan. Scar. Meron siyang scar. Sabihin natin parang pansinin. Okay? Na peklat. Yeah. Okay. What else? Okay. Straight hair. Yeah. Okay. What else? Hindi po ito, magre-resonate ng lahat nandun. Okay? Ay, oo, akin lahat yan. Anyway, tingnan natin. Practitioner. Okay, so ano bang pinapractice ng person na yan? Some of you, hindi kayo aware na merong something, okay, na pinapractice yung person mo. Some of you, they know how to read tarot, parang ganyan. They're into something na sabihin nating weird stuff. Okay, something like that. What else? Okay, light skin. So, may kaputian. Okay. What else? Beauty mark. Okay, so may chance na yung person mo is merong nunal. Okay, na pwedeng nagpapa-enhance ng kanyang beauty. Mapababae, mapalalaki, ko naman ang gender. Okay, meron ding syempre ditong energy. Merong sabihin nating dimples. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? Something na pwedeng nagpapa-enhance ng looks ni person mo. What else? Facial hair. Okay? So, lalo na kung lalaki nga yung person mo. Okay? So, wag mong kunin syempre kung babae yung person mo. Wala nga naman. Okay? Pero kung meron man, di ba meron namang ganun? Yung mga mabalbon na babae, di ba? Yeah, specific. Yeah. What else? Last two. Exaggerated features. Okay, some of them pwedeng meron silang pinagawa, no? Like nagpa-opera, parang ganyan. Pero some of them sabihin nating normal or sabihin na normal. Ang tawag dyan. Sadyang ganun lang talaga, no? Hindi sila nagpa-retoke or kung ano man. May something na pwedeng sabihin nating may pagka-exage, no? Pwede sa ilong nila, sobrang tangos, parang ganun. Okay? So, pwedeng tenga nila malaki. Yeah, 'di ba pag gano'n daw mahaba buhay, no? Oo, sabi, 'di ba? What else? Okay, last. Fun colored hair. So, some of them, pwedeng mahilig magkulay-kulay ng kanilang mga buhok. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita pagdating sa physical looks. Okay? Nung iyong person. Some of them, they're an Asian. Okay? So, tayo ay tumungo na sa tarot. For you, Aqua. Ano bang meron? Okay, so, Aquarius placement. Some of you might be dealing with a Sagittarius. Okay, Aqua. Who is this person you're thinking about? Anong meron sa kanya? Para malaman mong siya to. Okay? Energy niya yun. O, yan. Tingnan natin. Ano bang energy ni person ng mga Aqua? The Six of Cups. Okay, there's this deep connection. Okay, pwedeng matagal kayo nagkakilala nitong taong to. Matagal na kayo magkakilala. Pwedeng magkakilala na yung family ninyo. Like that. Okay, some of you, this like, sabihin nating malalim lang talaga yung connection ninyo ng taong to. The Fool. Some of them, they live, far. You have to travel. Parang ganyan. You miss this person, maybe, or maybe they miss you. They miss you. We have here water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aries. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng meron tong gustong i-action, i-express. Let's see. Anong gusto niyang i-express sa'yo, Aqua? They have something. Anong gustong i-express ng taong to pagdating sa'yo? The Three of Wands. Na gusto ka nilang makasama ng matagal. Forever, maybe. Yeah, see? The Ten of Pentacles. This is talking about commitments. This person wants commitments with you, Aqua. Yeah, I think some of them, they're your friend. Or sabihin nating malalim lang talaga yung sabihin nating ties, bind ninyo ng taong to. Okay? Some of you, this is your person from the past. Okay? Wanting na magkaroon uli ng new beginning with you, maybe. Okay? They're like waiting for you. Yeah. Some of them talagang malayo. Merong nangyari ditong energy ng pag-aliis or paglayo. Kung wala man, may chance na malayo lang talaga itong tao. Like, there's this distance in general pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Anyway, yeah, this person miss you. Missing you. Ano bang situation, Aqua? Anong sitwasyon nyo ngayon? The Sun. Okay. What's with that Sun? The Two of Swords. Nandun na yung sign, pero hindi pa rin totally nagiging clear, or yeah, somebody is avoiding na maging klaro. This person, they have something for you. They have this deep emotion pagdating sa'yo, pero they're afraid to take risk. They're afraid na gumawa agad ng action, like agad-agad. Okay, pero may mga signs na makikita from this person that they like you. They want you. Okay, pero not clear. Yeah, not clear. Okay? Or maybe somebody is rejecting someone's action. Parang may ganyan. Or maybe pakiramdam is parang i-reject ako nito, so hindi ko kailangan na maging open talaga. As in open na open, or vulnerable, like that. What is their true emotion for you, Aqua? Some of them, this person wants to see you, pero somebody is rejecting that offer. I want to see you, I want to talk, maybe mga ganyan. I want to travel, papunta sa'yo, parang ganyan. Pero somebody is rejecting somebody. Okay? Bakit may Two of Swords? Some of you there's this decisions pagdating sa sitwasyon sa ngayon. Kaya hindi mabigay yung kalinawan. What's this Two of Swords? Judgment? Okay, so pwede kasing hindi pa rin talaga ibinibigay yung totoo. Hindi pa rin nagiging clear. Somebody is maybe parang pinipigil yung sarili na maging open or maging clear nga. Okay? So, tingnan natin anong emosyon nito. Iba sa inyo, nagkakausap kayo nito, ganyan. Kung nagkikita, yan, may chance rin na ganyan. Pero, judgment, wala pang gumagawa dito ng hatol, no? Ano bang meron? Pero, ramdam naman, halata naman na there's this something, no? Pagdating sa inyo. Okay. Anong emosyon ito for you, Aqua? Okay, too many. What is their true emotion for you, Aquarius? The Ten of Swords. Feeling rejected? What? Yeah, some of you, you're avoiding them or maybe rejecting them. Feelings for you is the Ten of Swords. Feeling nila parang walang patutunguhan or walang potential or walang chance. Bakit? Why the Ten of Swords? The Page of Cups. Maybe this person talaga gumagawa ng action for you or action towards you, pero you are rejecting it. I don't know why. They have emotions. Some of them, they're sabotaging their own emotions for you. To you. Okay? They are sabotaging. Yung wala pa man sinasabi or sabihin natin wala pang action na ginagawa, sila na mismo yung magsasabi sa sarili nila na, ay naku, hindi mangyayari to. Ay naku, i-reject lang ako ni Aqua. Ay naku, hindi ako papansinin. Like that. This person has something for you. Okay? The Page of Cups. Some of them, they're too young. Or maybe they're just young or immature. That is why. Okay? What's their energy? What is their energy right now? Pagdating sa'yo, tingnan natin. Yeah, the Three of Cups. Some of you, this is your, friend. A friend na sa isang small circle lang kayo nitong taong to. Hindi to parang naiiba. You know this person actually. Okay? What's with this Three of Cups? Some of them, feeling nila na friend zone mo siya, Aqua. Yeah, the Knight of Cups universe. That is why there's this inconsistency pagdating sa emosyon. Okay? Yeah. They like you. Some of them, they're not ready maybe financially, or maybe they're not ready to settle down or what. Okay, pero they have emotions, like big emotions for you. Okay, yeah. Meron din silang kasing kailangang aksyonan pa pagdating sa sarili nila aside sa'yo. Okay? So, marami silang kailangang i-workout, I think. So, what is their next action towards you, Aqua? The World Universe. Why? So, wala pa rin. Ganun pa rin. Magpapatuloy pa rin to. Yeah, see? Holding back. Holding back. The World Universe. That is why. There is no changes. Why? Because they hold back a lot. Pero hindi ka nito aalisan. Hindi ka nito pakakawalan. Energy? No. They won't. Yeah, the King of Wands Universe. Hindi pa sila ready. Okay? Ano ang outcome / advice for you, Aqua? Yeah. Seven of Pentacles inversed. And the Ace of Pentacles. Huwag niyong sabutahihin yung magandang connection na pwedeng mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Don't. Kung kailangan niyo mag-express, magsalita, mag-uusap kayo, maging open, heart-to-heart talk, do it. See? The Two of Cups. This is a nice connection. May potential itong connection na to, sa totoo lang. Okay? So, yeah. Sandali lang po ha. Okay. So, ito yung matatawag nating Aquarius Saga. Yeah. Okay. Sana mabago na yung ganitong takbo ng reading nyo, no, Aqua? Kahit ako, nasusubaybayan ko eh. Araw-araw ba naman? No, yung walang naiiba, yung walang pagkakaiba sa energy. Okay. Anyway. So, sana magkaroon na ng bagong energy. Gumawa naman kayo ng bago. Oo, para bago na yung mabasa natin. Ha? Okay? Anyway. So, tungo na tayo sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. The zodiac sign you're dealing with. Let's see. Okay. Aries. So, they want you to chase them. They want you to chase them, no? Kawawa naman tong Aries na to. Taurus, they're waiting for you. Nako, Taurus. Oo. Wala kang hinihintay kay Aqua. May side comment, no? Oo. Anyway, Gemini, they're thinking of you. Yeah. Some of them, they want to take a rest. Oo. A rest? Bakit? Hindi ko alam. They're just waiting, praying, being silent pagdating sa'yo. They're thinking of you. Some of you, pareho kayong nag-iisipan. Like, sabihin natin parang patahimikan kayong dalawa. Ni Gemini. Cancer. Oh, there's this energy of the Tower. Kasi maraming energy. Pagdating sa Tower, hindi naman sinabing kapag Tower, pangit agad. No. This is unexpected. Okay? This is unexpected. So, maybe, expect kung anong hindi mo ina-expect sa Cancer yan na to. Okay? Leo, they're crying over you. Crying over spilled milk, maybe. They're regretting. Virgo, they love you. Yeah, they love you. Libra, same. This Libra has deep emotions pagdating sa'yo. Scorpio, being silent. Some of them follow your intuition pagdating sa mga to, sa Scorpio na to. Cancer, I don't know why Cancer. Sagittarius, they're thinking of you. They're stuck, feeling stuck maybe. Okay. Capricorn, waiting for you. Yeah. Maybe na magkaroon ng new beginning with you, I guess. Aquarius, gusto nila ng new beginning. Some of them, they want to get your attention. Pisces, they're afraid to communicate. Yeah, they're afraid to communicate. Some of them, they're avoiding na ma-reject, maybe. Si Pisces. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!